Hello and welcome back. Today I'm introducing my Spring Tank Reverb Driver module, version 2. All the great sound and features as before. Now in 4 HP with added feedback knob. Take note the drive setting is now a trimmer on the PCB. Set and forget. While my driver module is optimized for medium tanks, it can easily be modded to handle long and short tanks as well. More on that shortly. So far you've been listening to a vintage folded line medium-sized tank like those in the Roland Space Echo. Next up is a longer size tank. Changing the resistor R8 to 100 ohms gave the bigger tank a little extra juice to do its thing. Now you'll hear an Accutronics medium tank like those in the Fender amp. My buddy Seth is auditioning his Behringer 2500 system in these last two clips. How about a short-sized tank? Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.